center.
We're in Florida.
Luckily, we found another pretty bridge.
Made just like the other two.
We're on our way to Cocoa Beach.
This is in Jacksonville. Hold on to your hats, everybody. We're going up.
Indoor skydiving. Yeah, we're thinking that's a Top Golf. There's some flags down there. Yeah, I bet that is Top Golf. Giant nets, and golf greens, and flags. I'd say that's what it was.
Okay, we are on Highway 524 in Florida, and we are just on the bridge leading to Titusville, Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral.
This is Astronaut Boulevard.
Astronaut Boulevard is what this is. Just a beautiful sight to see all this water. Okay, here's some more pictures of the beautiful water. That is, I don't know what city that is over there, but that's really attractive. And it looks like Port Canaveral. I could tell something about a cruise ship or a gambling ship or something on one of the boards back there. Yeah. And the waters are really choppy. Victory Casino Royal Caribbean Harmony. Those are some ships, I guess, that are arriving or departing or something or other. My goodness, this is just amazing how they've made this into a port for the cruise ships. I do not remember anything like this when we were here. We think maybe 20 years ago we were here, right? Or 19 years ago. But I also don't remember what all was here. I just remember being at Cape Canaveral the year that the Olympic torch was passed.
It was 99.
The Olympics was 2000 in Atlanta. And we happened to be here. The space shuttle had landed and they passed the torch to the astronauts, and then they ran it from the landing site back to the headquarters or the welcome center or whatever.
Astronaut Boulevard.
So here we are at city of Cape Canaveral. So welcome.
This is supper, Sunday night, Hampton Inn, Cocoa Beach. Brady's favorite pizza.
Yeah, and I really shouldn't be eating it due to I'm trying to eat more healthy. But when you're on vacation, do as you do on vacation, I guess.
You want to tell them about what we did today?
Okay, sounds good.
Or I'll tell them, I guess.
Okay,
All right.
I'll fill you in if you make a mistake.
So we started off in Waynesboro, Georgia at a Hampton Inn. Had a wonderful breakfast. The staff was very nice. Headed to Savannah, Georgia. We ended up going on over to Tybee Island just because a gym buddy goes over there twice a year. And we have some friends who like Savannah also. So we kind of toured both of those. Walked to the beach while we were there. And just in case you've never been to Tybee Island and want to go, every place you go there, you have to pay to park. So as you're coming down like the main street there, you'll take a left and go down one of the other streets, and there's places to park, but it's $5.
$5 for 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah, and I think the streets are all 1, 2, 3, 4.
They're numbered streets.
Yeah, so you can find your way.
because we parked on 11th Street.
Right.
And as we were walking to the walkway, there was an 11 up there to let you know what street you were on.
Right.
And then as you crossed it, there was another 11 on the other side so that you could know what street, what walkway you were on to get back to your street. So that worked out really well. So we walked to the beach, collected a few seashells,
Right.
and we saw one guy with a metal detector. And what's the story why there's people walking with metal detectors?
Well, when people go on vacation, they are so anxious to get in the ocean or to get to the beach, they forget to take off their jewelry. So,
And jewelry gets lost in the water.
especially if you go in the water, it washes it off. You can't find it, and he finds it.
Yeah.
So,
So we find our number 11 Street walkway, and then as we are approaching that walkway, there is a sign over on the right. And what does that sign say?
venomous snakes nest here.
Yes, that's what he said. Venomous snakes nest here. So we didn't see any snakes. We crossed the walkway safe and sound, and then we got in the truck and we decided we want to find a place to eat. We end up in Savannah at Savannah Seafood Shack downtown. And parking is really difficult downtown also. And we ended up in a parking garage. I think it was off of Dehaney or Delaney Street or something like that. $5 for 5 hours. And then we even walked around downtown and took some pictures because that's something that I like to do. Then we left there and we were headed to Cocoa Beach, our directions were, but I noticed on the map that Jekyll Island was close by also. So we ended up stopping there, but we didn't cross into the paid piece of Jekyll Island. We just stopped at the Welcome Center. And they have how many golf courses?
I think there was 4 I've seen on the map.
Don't know how much it cost to play a round of golf there, but there's 4 golf courses there. So we ended up leaving Jekyll Island and heading on to Cocoa Beach. And we've discussed, why don't we stay at Hampton Inn also in Cocoa Beach? So I get online and find the Cocoa Beach here, or Hampton Inn in Cocoa Beach. I'm calling and making the reservation. Then we were about to pass the Florida state sign. I wanted a picture of the Florida sign. So he says, there's a sign, there's a sign. I'm grabbing for another camera in the truck, and I don't get a picture of it because I'm just too late. So we do stop at the Welcome Center. I get a picture there of the Welcome Center and all, so it's okay. So we're heading on down, and we get to Cocoa Beach, and we find our hotel just fine in the Cape Canaveral Cocoa Beach area, and we have a view out our window of the beach, and hopefully the sunrise side will be coming up out of this window over here.
Right.
But then we ordered pizza for supper, and we're just kind of hanging out, getting ready to go to bed after a while.
And we're on the 8th floor.
We're on the 8th floor.
So it's the top floor. That's as high as you can rent.
Yeah. But
They don't rent the roof. It's just 8 floors.
yeah, I don't think there's beds up on the roof.
No.
So we're here for the night, and we're here for 2 nights. We decided that last minute also. So we'll walk on the beach tomorrow and try some food, local food, and see what happens.
Yep, sounds good.
All right. Good
All right.
night.
Good night.
Thanks for watching Day 2, Part 2. If you haven't already seen Day 1 and Day 2, Part 1, check them out to get caught up on our Florida vacation.
Hey, if you liked this video, let us know by hitting that like button. And please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate it.